Okay, this video is going to cover the vocabulary for this lesson, and you're going to drag and drop these vocabulary words to their definitions. So for instance, any of the surfaces, including the bases, that's going to be face. So it's all the faces that, or all the different sections of the net. And we'll go through that when we start doing lateral surface area, total surface area. You'll understand that a little bit better. The corner of the three-dimensional figure is the vertex. How you determine the name of a three-dimensional figure. A prism has two of these, which are parallel to each other and do not touch. Those are the base parts of the prism. And the line segment that joins two faces is called the edge. And that is the vocabulary section. You need to remember those things because when we start using these words, you need to know what part of the shape or what part of the net we're talking about.